This is a My Jeep update. I believe it's Thursday. I think it's the 6th, I believe. Anyway, trying to get some, button up some things here so I can drive on to the next system. Yesterday I finished getting the vapor canister assembly in, and I believe I've figured out all the hoses and the hookups. Now before I move on to the gas tank installation, today I went ahead and I serviced my differential. I think it was about 1.75 quarts, 32, I think 56 ounces total, I believe. And that's got the limited slip in there, so I don't think I need to put this limited slip in. It's a Mobil 75 140 synthetic, and it says with limited slip. I'll check on that. Anyway, the next thing I'm going to do is install my new sway bar. It's a heavier sway bar, 1 inch. And when I get that completed, then let me turn this camera a little bit. I guess that'll be able to be enough. Anyway, then I'll be able to get my gas tank installed. And then we'll go from there, and hopefully, before I actually put this up in place and start tightening it down, I'm going to recheck all my connections to make sure they're on, and try to follow up and find additional information to ensure that I do have the right connections made, because once I get this gas tank up in there, a lot of these are going to be hard to get to. After I got the vapor canister up there, it's already making it hard to work. If I have to switch anything out or do additional work in there, if something comes loose, it's pretty tight. So when that gas tank's up there, if I got anything wrong, if I get some lights, some codes on this emission system, I know where it's going to be. It's going to be right back here, because I didn't have any codes before. This is all new. That means I probably got a bad hookup or a leaking hose or something. And I'm probably going to have to loosen the straps and drop the tank down where I can get to some of it. Anyway, I'm trying to make a fairly detailed, video on hooking this stuff up, because I had trouble finding the information that I needed. I found a lot of older Jeeps and some newer Jeeps that covered it pretty well. I finally got me a manual for this Jeep downloaded, and I started finding what I needed. And the thing is, the manual's still written for an experienced mechanic. I'm just an amateur, so
you got that right.
Some of the paragraphs and information in there I don't quite understand. It's still trial and error, but it's definitely.
Why don't you tell them your real name, boy?
That's my Jeep.
Sorry, I didn't get this sway bar in the last video update. Anyway, there it is right there, and the accessory that goes with it, and that'll be my next little project. Hopefully it won't take me too long to get installed. If I have any problems with it, I still got the old sway bar in my Jeep out.